Oh, I'm a. Hi. I said hi the weirdest way. Hi. Hi, ugly viewer. Y'all are stupid. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the top. Look at the top. You start. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's do the side. Let's do the sides. Okay, should we start doing it? No, let's just do the roof first. Fine. What if I do that? What if I did it to survival? Right now, I'm gonna turn it into survival 10. Not now. Who would do that if they would have some fun? You call me that stupid? Wait. I'm gonna make my name out of TNT because it's dark. Because it's dark. I'm gonna make my name out of TNT. I'm just gonna make the letter H out of TNT. Cause why not? Okay, let's go. Wait, I'm just gonna blow up one TNT. No. Because I'll just blow up all of them. So let's start. I'm doing one. Me too. I'm already like at the top floor. It's better you and me. Like two people faster. Yeah. I'm hungry, man. Your group chat is weird. They called it. Look, MJ was saying, "Wake up, monkeys." They're so weird. Okay, should we start? And just please, let's start. Okay, wait. Let's do the top first. Fine, let's do it. Do it. Oh no! It's crashing. My game's gonna crash, bro. No, bro. My game's crashing. My game's gonna. No! It's no. Okay, mine is up. No way! The thing is almost not even here. Let's rebuild it. Wait, there's like no way. No. No way. Okay, I think we should leave. I don't think this is good for our phones. I'm gonna get out.